No corrupt criminals that exist in our marae for very long. What we deal with every day. Living in poison, drinking poison, eating poison, watching torture. Our country has to watch and listen to the death. Sonny, get the boy off there, keep the fight. Hey, off there. Safe stuff. That's right, that's our problem, inflicted upon us by the government. So I wouldn't worry about keeping them safe from falling, I worry about keeping them safe from being poisoned to death and tortured to death like these animals.
Good.
It's really hard to keep your composure sometimes, eh? However, it is necessary, 100% peaceful.
100% peaceful, absolutely. The moment there's any aggro, that's it. We lost.
We know that. We know that. We wish the government would realise that.
So proud of the stance you guys have taken, eh?
It's got to be done, man. There's nothing else left now. We've tried every avenue. We've given them every opportunity. They know what's right.
Now you've got to go to the
police. Children know. Well, we do. We have to go to the Queen. And we have to institute measures of self-defence. I know the Queen's just as corrupt as the others.
Yeah, exactly.
That's our problem that we're dealing with. That level of corruption is right through the hierarchy, and it keeps on going past the Queen as well. Oh, we're bringing some barriers because people might get poisoned by the dead bodies. So what's that saying? Are you saying those dead bodies are not safe to leave lying there, sir? Can we not leave those dead bodies there like our government does on our whenua, in our waterways? Is it a risk? We're told it's perfectly safe. 1080 won't harm anything. It doesn't kill birds. It doesn't poison water. It doesn't poison our fish. So why are you putting these barriers around here? Is that a safety concern? Surely not. Our government wouldn't do that today. Our government would leave these dead rotting carcasses all around our country. If so, why don't they fence them off? Why don't you remove them? Then it wouldn't be a safety hazard. But no, you just put a fence around it.
Locking us
No,
in
they're
there
keeping
with
people
the
away
dead
from the toxic gas.
Keep you away. What's the matter?
That's because it's on Parliament Street.
Oh,
It's not on your backyard, Danny.
no,
That poison's not in your water.
no.
Here, their neighbourhood. Don't worry. It could be dangerous.
Could be.
So they put a fence up.
What do we do? Don't go near the dead birds.
Thank you, sir.
Don't go near the dead birds. Don't go near the poison.
Don't try.
Not around here. Don't let these people in Wellington go near them. Protect the Wellington people. But they don't protect the people in the bush. And the cities that we live in.
We will fight coveting men who wish to make every acre a dollar. Squeeze her and race her till they're through, and break the back of a dying mother. Papa to a nuku, are we to leave it in the hands of men who do not understand. And must we wait till it's too late to smother the flames after damage is done and stop the rains after flood has begun? We say no now. Must there be a price to pay? We say no now. Must there be a price to pay?
Hold up. You got some Māori words for these people?
It's also really hard to jump over those, isn't it? It must be difficult.
Or go under them.
Yeah.
Very good barrier.
Yeah. Or just walk up the steps a little bit they can't do. Good stunts, good protest, man. Good protest. Gotta stop the possums, eh?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
those possums growing some wings, eh?
Yeah, those damn possums. Damn. Don't worry about the bike hill though. The bike hill means nothing. It doesn't actually. Nah.
That's right. There
Yeah.
is no.
Yeah.
It doesn't kill birds.
It actually dilutes down into a harmless salt.
Oh yeah, something's gonna get chipped, eh?
Yeah.
Something's gonna get chipped.
Sorry, folks. I hate being sarcastic, but sometimes it's all you can do. What's that big one? That's a kaka.
Wicked.
Weka. Well, I've never seen a live weka, but I've now seen a dead one. Thanks, Ted Addy, I've seen a dead weka now. I've never seen a live one, but.
Don't let the birds out. Don't let the birds out. Oof, 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 oof. Don't let the birds out. Oof, 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 oof.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's rude.
He called you an idiot. So what do you mean by idiot in your country?
And I feel sad
Well, we
for
all
that.
idiots then.
I feel really sad for that man.
Yeah.
In that fashion. Because he's just showing disrespect to you as a child.
Unintelligent. Go do your research.
What are you locking it up for, man? Do you think people are going to break in and take the birds home and eat them or something?
Oh, we can't walk around that.
Procedure. It's a stupid procedure. But that's nothing different than this government because everything they do is stupid.
Well, we've got 1,400 people to provide a safe work.
What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? There's nothing unsafe with this. This is what we
Yeah,
live with.
yeah.
That's what we
That's
live
life.
with.
It's-
14,
yeah, it's
how many?
perfectly
14,
safe,
how
bro.
many? 1,400 people where?
3 buildings at private parliament.
Oh, so you're only protecting the people in the buildings, not the public out here.
Everybody who walks through the gates is their responsibility.
All right, so how many people live in Wellington? What, 150,000, 250,000? Probably about 1 million, I'd say. But not quite. Okay, so are you protecting them too from these dead birds?
If they walk through the gates, yes.
What's wrong with those birds?
So what about when they walk through our gates onto our property? How can we protect our children and our friends from the poison?
Yeah, Yeah.
But you drop it 100 metres away, or they drop it 100 metres away from our houses.
I can't answer that.
But you
Well,
protect
you
the
can put a
people
fence
here.
up here.
That's our procedure.
Because
Well,
they're in
where's
the
the
Us Club.
procedure for us?
We're in the Them Club. They're in the Us Club.
Yes,
No,
that's
there's
right.
no danger here. You'll go
They are.
They are.
And they're us.
Yes.
And we're in the them.
Not
Yep.
toxic.
Hell yes.
I learnt that very well yesterday.
Don't touch my children up there, boy.
You're awesome, man. Fucking awesome, bro. Your kids are there, man.
You better tell your mate to get away from my kids, man. I think it's the other way around. This is where we own, man. We, people, own this. This is our land. This is our building. These are our things. Yours too. But he touches my children. How would you like him pushing your children around and calling them idiots? Hasn't he? You make sure he does not. Because he just called them idiots. Would you do that to your children? Would I do that to your children? No. You want to stir shit? Tell your boy to lay off. Because he's stirring the shit. Educate your security team. Well, he's already abused them. You obviously haven't educated your team, have you? I think you better do a bloody team talk tonight and have a beer over it. Sort it out. Hey? We'll go and have a cup of coffee. You drink coffee? We'll go and have a sandwich. Well, how would you like a bird? You eat duck. A bit of wicker there. Help yourself, fill your boot.
It's
See
safe.
how you like it in your kite.